gonna start this stream now. All right, it just started it. And me, man, I can see what I like, which is the closure below here. I guess that's what I'm waiting on next. Oh, I might get it. And give me this top wick, please. Close below. Yeah, man. If it's respecting it, I'm gonna wait on one more closure, but it's all good. I think that volume gonna push it through, but it ain't no point in rushing it. Yeah, it's early. Man, that's that perfect opening that I would have needed. But it's coming right into a support, so you over there just hanging out now. Must be nice. We gotta grind for it. What's the max again? Was it 580 or 570? Oh, 540. Oh, like 3 micros, 4 micros max. I think there's a way for me to portray y'all on YouTube or y'all sound on YouTube. I think I just can't play music from StreamYard if I were to do that. I might try that since you gonna be on the mic today. Let me try that. So rather than playing music from StreamYard, I'm gonna go to play it on YouTube. Boom. Let's see. Now, if I get a 15-minute candle closing above or respecting this, I'll take it back up, thinking it could fill at least half of this big ass fall. Let's see. Stop screen. And then I'm going to share screen, share the entire screen. Screen 1. Also share system audio. Boom. All right. I'm not going to play music from there. I'm gonna play music from All right, now I'm gonna see if it echoes, because it was echoing when I was playing music from StreamYard last time. But I think it's because it's sharing the same like window audio. Let's see now. Roger, be my test dummy for me if you don't mind. Say testing, please.
Right now?
Yeah.
Testing.
All right, but I'm about to go see on the YouTube stream if it is playing correctly. That's it. Figured it out. I had to stop playing the music straight from StreamYard, and I had to go play it on YouTube, which is fine. This shit falling still, as anticipated. This shit moving fast, bro, today. Like, dumb fast. I wonder if a 5-minute candle closure would be good. I got a closure below here. I would definitely test my hand in a 5-minute. It'd have to be perfect. It'd have to be a perfect 5-minute closure under, because it got nothing but clean range under that. Up into like right here. So we'll see. These ranges are huge. This is a 5-minute time frame, and I'm looking at an 80-pip range, so we will see. Must be nice catching that move though, man. Must be nice.
Gotta get to it.
Starting off the year right. But for what it's worth, I'm gonna actually draw my ranges up the right way. So sells below here, likely to come down into like, yeah, here. Final targets, filling the whole range out down here. As far as buys, I probably would take buys if it could just close, respecting the support that it's at right now, honestly. Close above here. Looking to come back up into here. We'll see. We will definitely see. Grabbing all these orders down here and flipping up. But if not, a closure above this and this would be straight. Just trying to identify places where price got stopped up. So if you look to the left, you'll see right here, got stopped up. Right there, got stopped up. Same thing right here. So just waiting to see what price wants to do. This little area is currently at. And I'm just on the 15-minute time frame right now, since waiting on an 8:45 closure. I can't believe that this did what this did that fast. I'm talking about I looked at price when it was up here.
That shit coming down, down, down.
Mm-hmm. Mm-mm.
That man Jamal, that man.
I want to say they on vacation. I think I seen Shonda post something. But
I would have to get 80 more to max out. I'm like, is it worth it?
yeah. I mean, would you be sad if you lost 30 on a 3? Or sorry, 20 on a 3? Not really.
I mean, as long as it's above my 300.
Exactly. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you trying to shoot for $80 more, that means on a 3 you need like 25, 26, 27, something like that. And you could just have a 1-to-1, basically, like lose 80 or make 80, however it's gonna go.
I just need $800 for payout.
Been a road. Been a road.
Man, this shit going down, bro.
No, is it going? I have a feeling it's trying to trickle back up. I don't know why. Just keep respecting areas that shouldn't really be all that hard to break through.
I like it though. It's creating a hella clean ranges for the future.
Mm-hmm. I'm telling, bro, it's like gold does the same thing every day. It like rallies in New York, London and Asian, and then in New York, it like has crazy ass pullbacks. It does its bullshit overnight, falls out every time. Does this bullshit overnight, and then falls out. Does this overnight, falls out. It's like it does the same thing. What does it want to do? What does it want to do? I'm trying to figure out which accounts I should trade today. That's the only thing about having all these damn accounts. Like, what are the odds? You can, but finding 3 trades with the way I trade, I really don't even want to take 3 trades. I will though, if the situation calls for it.
Yeah, bro. It's gonna come down tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
I just need 20, 25.
If I don't get a closure at 8:40 in 30 seconds, then we'll just wait and see what 8:45 does. It still looks good. Seconds. It's just getting a little stopped up at this support. Nothing crazy. Now, this candle can start coming all the way back up here and closing back above this. That would be straight. But I also don't hate sells where we are, kind of like if it just closes below the most recent support. Yeah, it's getting stopped up right now by the 5 minute. But man, ain't nobody worried about no 5 minute.
We want to put a stop sell so bad on the 5 minutes.
You do? It's just when that shit,
going, bro.
When that shit turn around on your ass, you be like, fuck. There's only 3 more minutes left to the 15-minute candle close. But it usually play out though. It's like you can't hold for long, which we don't anyway. Like, see how quickly that shit just be jumping, bro. Like, it was just down here. Now you down 30. You down here 20. Shit happened so fast. Oh, jumpy. Those on YouTube, please like and subscribe. See what we can do. Start off the year. Damn, what we doing out here? I don't like where we at right over here either. Like all these this damn consolidation. I want something easy and clean like this. Oh, I know. I seen what you talking about. You broke the highs and all. Damn. With no bottom. It must be nice. Must be nice.
That Antonio played, but
it was 8:15. You said?
Yeah.
I see it
around there.
8:15. Price came straight up for 25
with no bottom wick.
Or no bottom, and then the bottom fell out. Damn. No, sir. Roger already took something, but I'm chilling.
Yeah, I don't know, but I don't like the areas it's coming back up to.
Yeah, I don't either. I don't like how we are respecting, even though it's a lower time frame, we're respecting this and this. And like I know I'm being scary about it, and we got nothing but clean ranges on every time frame, but it could be rejecting out of this, it could be rejecting out of this, it could be rejecting out of these. Like, this is not a good area. This song can bring a tear to my eye, bro. We was done so dirty. Cue my theme music.
We want to keep coming down, close under. Go ahead.
Yeah, exactly. But I'm not fucking with this closure. I would not fuck with on the 15. That little weak ass bearish closure. Like, it should go, but it's just that 5 minute closing hella bullish strong. It's like, because what happened last time it closed respected here, took off.
Untold stories.
Untold stories. We got 1 minute left. This shit closed back above that purple line. I might take a buy. Anticipating at the 15-minute respected this support after coming down and grabbing all this. But let's see if it closes above. If it closes respecting, it still could come right up, retest this support to come down. Yeah. So how many seconds? 30 seconds. I'll wait on 9:15, 9:30 before I jump the gun. Even if this shit do want to fall, I'd rather see it below here and take it on down into here and then into here. Even if I missed all this, I got hella range under into there, under this support. So 3, 2, nah.
No, sir.
No. This week, 15-minute closure like this, nah. I might need to see a little more than that. This 5-minute candle probably is going to break this high and go up. You just don't know how much it's going to go up, considering it closed below this 15-minute support right here. But we had like clean range to the left. You know what it'll be. Sell stop on the break of the low. But man, that still very well could play out though. It very well could play out. Just breaking this high right now, making the top wick for the 15. But hell, even if the 1 hour candle respects at 9 a.m., respects this and respects this, open straight down, I take my top wick play. So there's a lot of shit that can happen. That's why I'm just being patient rather than trying to force some shit at 8:46 a.m. We got to get on your level, man.
Bro, seen that Antonio play, I had to just go ahead and do it, bro. Fuck it. If it go against me fast, just cut it. That's how I'm coming.
Mm-hmm. Yo, that top wick being made. So how much is it up right now? 30, 35. That's it, man. That's it. That's that play. So for everyone in the YouTube, I be anticipating that price will ultimately come down a lot of times. But what I will say is you'll often see that price will make a top wick to come down. So even if this candle does want to flip, we're expecting most candles to have both top and bottom wick. So this candle, if you put the pieces together, this candle closed below this support. So you don't know if it's going to perfectly kiss it and come down or if it's going to go ahead and make that top wick. So for example, when this 9 a.m. candle closes in a few minutes, then you are 13 minutes and it respects this, you would anticipate that eventually price will continue down. But man, you can't tell me that I can't squeeze 30, 40, 50 pips on a top wick to come down, considering the previous high is over 250 away. So that's just what I be thinking. That's just what I be thinking on that move. And then we got the patented Tonio play, where if candles have same thing, no top wicks or no bottom wicks, you're anticipating that price is going, when it does come down, help. And we don't even be wanting that much, just into here and into here. It be coming down with a vengeance. But I do like these buys though. If we can just hold the line and close right here. My Roger voice. Are you working today?
Hell no.
Okay.
I ain't been at work since Tuesday.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead and load you up another account, bro. Fuck it. You're ready for 9. Start off right.
And that $1,000 fucked me up, bro. I could have been done.
Oh. You and me both, brother. You and me both. There you go, y'all. Okay, so this candle, ultimately, I anticipate that this candle will come down. I think it'll come down. Now, I ain't gonna lie. It don't look bad. It really don't look bad, but like I should go with my gut. It grabbed these highs. Man.
Fuck it.
Not right now. If this candle closes just like this, a weak bullish 5 or bearish 5, either one, and then I get a top wick, then I would take it down. But I don't want to get caught in the flip and then the new top wick just because we'd be trading with such high size. But it grabbed its orders, so now it has a wick to fill right here. So let's see if it leaves a bottom wick to enter on the 5 minute. 5, 4, 3, 1. Not really. But I think that gave you 30 or close to it right there. Yeah, I think so. On that flip.
Damn, I should have that bitch.
So yes, this is another example, y'all. Like, this is the move I would take to make the top wick, but ultimately being at the 15-minute close, as bearish as it did under this support, came up, grabbed these orders, broke these highs, activated buyers to come down and start filling this wick on out. So, and then the way that it just happened all in like last minute, basically, like, it's hard to say I woulda, shoulda, coulda did that, entered on that. But let's see, we got a lot of range. We got a lot of range today. I just want to get under this. If that's what we're gonna do, just go ahead and close under, because we already rejected out of it once. So let's see if we can go ahead and actually close below. Good targets are often near supports and resistances or wick fill. So this candle had a wick right here that it had to fill. Set that sell stop on the re-break of the low. You've seen about 35, 40 so far. But 10 minutes for this closure, 9 minutes. So we're gonna see. Definitely gonna see.
I really should be done, bro, but it's just that clean, so much clean range.
Do you work at your discretion?
Look at that. Look at that. Look at the love.
I know, bro. I know. And that's why,
but like, damn, it just came down so many times. So
yeah, I mean, you got in from up here, bro. Like,
I know.
That shit is not P. That shit is not P chasing. Not to say that we are chasing, but it's just like, the best entry was the entry you caught. The best entry was the entry you caught from up here. And you done seen 340 from it. So
no green candle whatsoever.
I still think if we close above that range, though, y'all, I think that we're gonna make another top. I don't like it.
Rush.
Thank you, sir. I don't like it. I want to close clearly below or clearly above. We in that no man's land right now, boy. There's so many supports to the left. Just look. Right there. Right there. All these wicks. Price didn't break through. But will today be the day we finally do? Will today be the day that we finally do?
As long as it's coming down, set of falls for next week, we good. No, all times.
There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on down.
Oh,
Tell
shit.
me, man. Tapping this Whitfield area, support area again. That's so crazy, bro. We be seeing it time and time again. Like, if you got the bandwidth to hold it through whatever little bullshit may happen, you green. Let's see.
Thinking of a 5-minute close, you're gonna wait till 9.
The
Come
smart
back on the
move would be
5 is getting under. It went under that support to the left.
yeah. I mean, if I got like a perfect top wick, let's see, is it closing? Ooh, fuck.
Did it close? Let me see.
It closed below it. It did, like right here, closed below.
With no bottom wick.
Yeah, with no bottom. Right now it's a 20 pip stop. Let me see. I'm gonna use my middle account. Let's see. It should go, huh? All right, I'm gonna set the sell stop. 49.87.3, but it gotta happen, fairly quickly.
That's right.
Because it's 8:56 in 15 seconds. So if I were to get in it, I need to go in. Come on. It's gonna be my mid-tier accounts. Not my babies. My babies I gotta protect. We close to payout. Gotta protect them. See, that's that wick fill on the 15. Filled that wick. Rejecting out his support again. That's what made me a little hesitant towards taking it at this support. It's like, are we holding this shit for a reason? But we did close below. So once it flips, breaks this low, it should come on down. But if it gets about 8:58, I'll probably just wait. Right now we have about we about to come down. Let's see what we do. It's a 37, 38 pip stop. But y'all know me. I ain't using that. Should. I ain't.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
You got me in. Come on. Oh my God. Well, I'm going to set my auto stop. Right, there we go. Come on now. Come back down. I seen negative 16, 17. Bro, what are we doing? What's that minus 25? Max. Then drag this on down. Come on. I'm trying to be out before 9. All right, come on. Boom.
Order filled.
Shit.
Got it. Max.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
538.
Thank you, everybody. I would like to 647 times 5 accounts and then 400 over here. Thank you, everybody. I do this because I love to do this.
I knew it.
Hey, man, listen. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it.
No problem, man.
I appreciate it. Hope y'all in the chat.
Thank you, YouTube.
Appreciate it, YouTube. Thank you, everybody.
They can't even hear our ass.
No, they can hear you. I got it right today.
Oh, they can?
Yes, sir.
Appreciate y'all, YouTube.
Yep. I got it right today. So what I had to do was I had to share the entire window screen and the audio from the window screen. The only thing that was fucking us up was the echo from playing the StreamYard and the microphone. But we good now.
Yeah, I'm about to rewatch this.
Now, I made a little too much on one of my accounts. But it's all good though. 647.6. 647.60 times or divided by 25.90. But yeah, it's all good. Good trade, yes, sir. On that 5-minute time frame, y'all got to know how to work it. Know how to work it. On the trade that on the account that I just took payout on, my target I needed was 2,000, but I just made it with a 25% consistency. Ooh, this is a great up opening. No bottom? Or no, there is a bottom. How you feel about that though? If you were still trading, I know you done.
You said say it again?
This, how it just opened, but it left the bottom wick though. That's
I really feel like it's gonna start trying to come up.
I think so too. I think that we came right into this support right here. And look at all these wicks that is left every single time rejecting out of right there. So my next sells, bro, honestly, let's see, 15-minute time frame.
It's gonna come up a little bit and then start coming back down.
I can see sells under here, like under this, under this, under this. I can even see it selling from like this little area right here. But I'm not taking it from right here though. That's tight. That's hella tight. Gotta let my big dogs eat. How long did that trade take? 48 seconds.
That's what we like, bro. You see how it fell at the end?
It just fall, bro.
It just went down.
It just fall. It was playing around a little bit. It was playing around, but it did what it needed to do. And you know the nasty part about this is that if I took those trades on funding ticks, they have a minimum 1 minute scalping rule now. They so ass for that. So I don't even know if that trade would have counted on those accounts. 1 minute, bro. 1 minute. That's why at this point, I'm just like, bro, I'm not even like when I'm in the trade, I'm like, bro, it's in God's hands.
Yeah.
I'm not really
worried about the time.
Yeah, I'm not really tripping about it. Like, however it shake out. Like if I can't be over here looking at plus 25, 30 in 30 seconds and be like, oh no, I gotta wait on it to see. Bro, hell no. If they want to deny my payouts, they just gotta deny my payout.
Mm-hmm.
But what I am focused on is the good money. Tradeify, Lucid, Perdia. My Perdia account's up 1,800, 1,100, and down a little bit. But like I be saying, if I make 2 payouts and blow 1, I'm cool. But hopefully I don't blow none. That was what we fucking like, man. And I got slipped on that. No, I didn't get slipped on TP. I just had a lower TP on my personal. So I had a 40 pip TP over here and it smacked it. Let's see where that thing came down to. Yes, I had a 43.74.5 TP over here and it came down to 43.73.7. So not terrible. Not terrible there. I think it's going to create a support and start coming up. If we can get back above here, that's not bad. Taking it back up, anticipating the way it came up into here, through here, up into here. All these resistances right here. YouTube, definitely throw a like, definitely subscribe. Someone said, how do you deal with the 10-second roll? Someone said, how do you deal with the 10-second roll on top one? 10-second roll don't really bother me. 10 seconds, bro. We should be in it for 10 seconds. Like that's not a crazy ask, honestly. But it's funny, ticks with that 1 minute. Boy, y'all just seen it. It was flirting, playing around, and then it fell, and that only took 48 seconds. So you gonna penalize me for 48 seconds on micro, like not micros, but like minis? you seeing exactly what you need in 10, 15, 20 a lot of times.
Yeah, that's
But
tough.
I agree that like anybody could take a 3-second win. Like you can. But 10 seconds ain't bad. Someone said thanks for showing up every day to trade. It's helping. All the best. Compliment of the season. Your chart looked so clean and neat. Do you have a preference? What are they in terms of colors for the yellow, purple, and blue? Do you have a video on how to mark support and resistance? Hey, I do actually have a videos on YouTube of how to mark support and resistance. But as far as why I have these lines where I have them, it's no real method to the madness. It's just support, resistance, first target, long target. So how do I be finding my targets? Here's the support. I look to the left and I say, if we get below this support, I'm anticipating that price come near this support. I'm just going from zone to zone. So first zone, second zone, third zone. On the buys, look here. I look to the left. I see the same little resistance that's being respected here, 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 here. Obviously, this is the zone in which we're struggling at. So when we close above here, like we did here, get a retest, I'm anticipating that we're going to come into the next zone, kind of right in here, in this little area. Where did we reject out of? Playing around, start falling down. That's all I'm doing. It's going closure above, looking to come into here. Closure above, looking to come into here. But first target, second target, third target. First target, second target, third target. And the good thing about YouTube live streams are you can go rewatch that if you need to. I definitely have videos on YouTube. But once again, appreciate y'all tapping in. Roger, that's a hell of a start to the year, man.
I'm tell you. The max hit, first day. Before 9.
Man, damn.
I can't even do nothing else if I wanted to.
I seen negative 16 or 17 on that play. Negative 16 or 17 on that play, but it came and gave it blessed with 40. Said, that's what we like. Me, someone said, thank you for the feedback. You really make it sound easy. Miss Bali, you sent your interview. Yeah, man. Appreciate you tapping in. Those on YouTube did an interview with the Forex Beginner podcast. That's what he's more so alluding to. And it was a good conversation. Definitely a good conversation. What everyone make on those trades. There you go, Joseph been eating, boy. I promise you. And like I said, I made a little more than I would have wanted to make on my newest account. Because like I said, all I got to do is make 2,000. But at the same token, I ain't tripping by having to make an extra few $100.
Man, this is a good day for you, bro.
Yeah, like whatever, bro. He said, why the 4373 target area? I found that area off of here. So like I was looking for a closure below here and then saw price get stopped up right here, stopped up right here, stopped up kind of right in here and here. So like you just kind of got to find areas where you think price may stop up. There's really no right or wrong to it. It's just your discernment, your discretion. Like if you think that price can potentially get held up right here, then put the line there. And what do? Come right near it. And right, every time we came here, we started playing around. So that's why I'm like, shit, I'm gonna go ahead and get out and get my money. Someone said, do you worry much about the higher time frames or on price action? I mean, not really. Just because our moves are taking 48 seconds, so you don't really need much more than the 1 hour. But it does. They all do play a role. Like if I come up to a 4-hour support, I'd be crazy to try to sell. But you mostly can trade support and resistance. And my sweet spot, the 15 and 30 minutes. The 15 and the 30 minutes.
I like it. YouTube active today.
Hey, man, ask questions. Ask questions.
New year. I like it.
Ask questions. He said he had the 67 area as a final target in mind. I would even potentially look at that as the next area, because while this doesn't look to be a huge range, I mean, that's still 60 pips. Like, y'all saw me, I just was happily taking 40. I mean, I would take a trade under there. I definitely would. So it's no right. Once again, no right and wrong. No right and wrong. Nah, it's a new year. It's a new year. Same us, same play. Just gotta be disciplined. Trying to be disciplined every day. And that's the thing about trading. It's like you can be disciplined for a month and you can blow all that shit in 5 minutes. Like, bruh, I'm trying to stop that tilting shit, bro. I don't know what it's going to take this year. You know what it is? I have to do what I'm doing and dividing up these accounts. And I lost 2 trades on Friday. And I just walked away. 2 minus like 20, like minus 25 and minus 29. And I just like, that's it. That's it. It is what it is. It is what it is, bro. Like, and that's how you can keep your shit in the game, because I took those losses, but I made them all back Wednesday. And then I'm up now today. We be trying to get that shit back in one day, and that's where we be.
I know, bro. I know.
That's like, we be acting like, bruh, it's the end of the world to take a loss. But like, yeah, bro, in reality, it's like
you can literally get that shit back the next day.
Bro, the next day where you got a clear mind. Because it's like, I was not even, bro, right hand on the Bible, I was not even tripping about them losses, bro. Like, that's the first time in a long time where I legitimately was not tripping about my losses. I was over there laughing. We was on the stream laughing at how stupid he said, I'm not in yet. Oh shit, it just got me in. I was like, hey, bro, that shit there. Lucid prop firm, would you say they're better than Top Step? I've never tried Top Step, but that's not to knock Top Step. I just never, I did it in the past, like the challenge model. I have to take 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days just to pass a challenge. And then I got to trade after I activate the account. Bro, like, that's a lot of money you spend in time to save $80 little. Like, because Top Step has the activation fee. So a lot of prop firms are eliminating the activation fee, which is good. But with Top Step, you got to pay $100, $150, whatever you got to pay. And then you got to pay a $150 activation fee after you paid the $100. Well, you can get a whole instant funding account for $200, $250. So once again, no right and wrong to it. Really, truly, no right and wrong to it. Roger, that trade just felt so good, bro. Like, that's just how life's supposed to be.
Just the way that shit just dropped down.
Just drop down. Let me see. So I'm gonna share my screen. Ooh, can I share my screen? Oh yeah, I think it's sharing the whole screen. Yeah, it is. Okay, so this is what I'll be talking about, y'all. So this is a 50K direct account with Lucid, and this is $343 one-time payment. But then if you go to Top Step, which I haven't been on their website in so long, so I really don't know what they got going on no more. But let's see, they be hiding their prices too. Like, you can't even. Okay, there you go. So a 50K account for them is $89. Oh, they changed their activation fee. Okay, no more activation fee. It used to be $150, bro. That shit used to be. Oh, there you go. The standard. Okay, never mind. I recant my statement. So, like I said, $49 a month, which is cool. But then you got to pay $129 when you pass. If you pass. So say you fail it. So you already in 50 plus 50. So 50 plus 50 plus 129 is 229. Well, best case, you get it in the first try, 179. Bruh, it's like, at the end of the day, you're going to pay so much money and just like going after these. Well, I'm going to just get to work. Like if I got to pay extra $100, extra $150, whatever it is, that's fine because I'm working towards actually getting the real money. And Top Step, I want to say they got some rules behind their payouts where you got to like have a certain amount of days and then you can only withdraw like half your profits or some shit like that. So you can make 1,500 or 2,000 and you can only get 1,000 from it. It's like, bro, you making a lot of demo ass money instead of just going straight in. And that's why we like Top One Futures, which is newer, came out at the beginning of last year. But you get an instant sim funded account for $340. And I want to say, like I always be saying, if you use my code at checkout, 50K, instant sim funded, rather than the 3 whatever they was talking about. Let's see. You get an even bigger discount, 305. 305 as opposed to the 340 that they was talking about when using my code Trading Homes. So, bruh, fuck them challenges. I'm trying to make the real money ASAP. I don't got time to be playing around with them. So, with my code, this is, I don't know what that is, 55, 60% off. You get that whole account for 305, or you could play around with Top Step on 5 contracts, having to wait 5-10 days to activate the account. But it's good to know that Top Step got a new account with no activation fee, though. I will say that is good. That is good. That is good. It's all about what floats your boat, for real, for real. But I'm not opposed to looking into some challenge accounts this year, though. I'm really not. Especially like if they're this sweet, like $89 a month. Sorry, not $89 a month, $89 because this wouldn't last a month. I'd probably full port this shit and try and make it all in one day. I don't know what the maximum you can make in a day is, but if I were to do this account, I would just throw 5 contracts and try to hit for 3,000 if I can pass in one day. But y'all can probably tell me better if I can pass in a day or if I gotta wait 2, 3, 4, 5 days. They have 2 models now. Appreciate that. Truth be told. Appreciate that. Let's see. So we just closed on the 15, by the way, 2 minutes ago. This is nasty. Roger, if I don't see nothing by 9:30, I'm out. I know you out. You've been out.
You already know I'm out.
Yeah. Locked out?
Already.
If this can close above, though, at 9:30, like if this closes above here and I get a nice new bottom wick, I'll take that bitch up into this resistance right there. But, man, dude, I ain't gonna lie. It feels so greedy every trade I take after winning my first one out the gate on this personal account. That's $400 before 9 a.m. Crazy. They can't see it on my the YouTube can't see it because of the overlay, but that's $400 in 48 seconds, bro. That shit's such a blessing. Such a blessing. But yeah.
Yeah, but you need to make a video reel today.
Yeah, man. Yeah. That was a good one. That was a good one. I might. StreamYard has AI now. So damn, they say clip CLIP this. I don't want them to actually do it. But they said CLIP this. But I can go in and edit and all that shit on StreamYard now, which is cool.
Oh.
But this is a year of growth, y'all. This is a year of growth for real.
But I went down so fast, it gave me my profit before I even saw the candle touch.
Yeah. Mine said order filled. It's still on that screen. That shit. Oof. I want to go rewatch. I definitely got to rewatch that. What's up, bruh? Hey, we broke that down so nice too. He said, bro, you getting on this 5?
Yeah, once it closed under that 5-minute support.
Right there. Man, and it wasn't much. The price came up. Tapped perfectly into this little support right there on the 5. And I said it's gonna break its own low, break these lows, and shoot down. And it sure did. But yeah, bro. I'll see if I want to take something else. But right now, I would be cool. I promise you. 40 and 48 seconds. These are the days we want. It's just my other accounts didn't get to eat, which is fine.
It's done exhausted down now.
Reflipping up. If this can close above at 9:30, I'm with it. But other than that, I chill. And see, that bullshit. 5-minute candle, no top wick, straight down rejection. Come on, just keep pushing up. This was plenty to come down for the day. It's your best trading time, 8:30, 8:45, or 9:30. 9:30. 9:30. Did ICC change the game for you? I don't know what ICC is. All I know is EYES. EYES. That's the best strategy you got. Calvin's podcast. You mentioned you show up like 5 minutes before, mark your levels, and trade for a short time. I sat down at 8. I started this stream at 8:28 today. We were out by 9, 8:58 actually. So I could have been done. Still can be done. The work only took 30 minutes if you want to be 100. Damn, that's a great way to go in and end it. I tell you, I don't even want to piss myself off. But if it's a clear, if it's an easy closure back above at 9:30 with volume, I will take it.
Friday too.
Here you go.
That's why I like trading on the computer, man.
Bruh. I ain't gonna say I don't see how y'all do it because it ain't impossible. But man, you trying to manage, bruh. I feel like the thing that will hurt most is trying to cut it, but you got preset parameters, so you good. But,
yeah,
bruh.
Yeah.
Trying to like cut that shit on your phone gotta be dangerous.
Yeah, because sometimes that shit don't be fucking close.
Bruh. And like Brandon say, if you off by 4 or 5 pips on like a 3 and a 4, well, you talking about like $160, $200. That's it. By the way, it tapped perfectly into the. And this is what I was talking about, y'all. When I was talking earlier, I was like, sometimes you don't know if price gonna blast through that shit or kiss it and like start falling perfectly. That's why I don't really play with them plays right near support. Like the buy that was present right here, it was closure under this support to the left on the 15-minute time frame right there. And the same way that price just tapped that bitch perfectly and fell out, I was not trying to see if that was going to be the case right there too. So it worked out this time, but it could have did just like this and I'd have been out the paint for no reason. Wasting a loss. I'd rather be out, wishing I were in, than in, wishing I were out. Oh, you don't see this candle. Let's see, this candle closed. I'm gonna see what this is hitting on in 6 minutes, but after that, I'm gonna just go downstairs and smile at my wife.
You said smile?
Just smile. I'm gonna just smile. How was today? Easy. This is easy, bro. it was how it should be.
That's some funny ass shit.
Bro, I promise.
Go down, smile. Breakfast ready?
She gonna text me in about 15, 20 minutes. Breakfast? Exclamation point. Yeah, I made way more than I needed to though on my other account or my account that I just got payout on. But I'm really not mad because you know how I go. Shit, after you get that payout on that 50K, but that drawdown so minimal.
Yeah, bro.
So
that's what I got.
like,
That's what I'm going to work on, man. When I get my next 50K
right,
payout.
Right.
It's
like
that shit.
Your first trade out the gate gotta be good.
Yeah.
Cause nigga, you lose 300-400 on that first trade back. It's like, damn, I got 2 trades left. I'm done.
Tell you, bro. That's what stopped me from getting pre-live. I keep blowing that shit.
Yeah. So I just hit for 647 when my drawdown was 1244 or 1144, whatever it is. So that double, or not double, but that almost, double what I needed to stay away from. So if I got to make $500 extra at the expense of having some more drawdown, I'll do that. And I ain't doing nothing but copy trading it anyway. Like, I'll see when I get the payout. It is what it is. I had to make 2,000. Now I got to make 2,590. Like one extra day. I ain't tripping. I've been thinking a lot about what Brady. Yeah, definitely. I've been thinking a lot about what Brady be talking about, and my bankroll ain't long enough to just leave that money on the table. But what he does is he looks at the buffer or the profit target as his buffer. So Brady wants to get to the 9,000, and then that's when he starts trying to eat. I'm like, bruh, I gotta take my payout. This shit crazy, boy. He try to get to, or like, we'll use it in our parameters. Like when we have these 50Ks, he'll try to get to the 3,000, and then that's when he'll start taking profits on top of the 3. But he won't even size down. He'll go harder because he's above that 3,000. I'm like, man.
Yeah, I gotta get at least partial something.
Bruh,
something.
I want it all. I want it all. Because, bro, it's like one of them things. Like, it sucks blowing the account after the fact, but it's like, bro, I just made. At least I got my 2,000. Because the worst thing that would happen is you only take a band and you blow that shit. It's like, well, and you can't think like that, especially with our win rate. Like the longevity of it would be smooth to take only like 1,000 and leave that, that 2,000 in there and trade ones after max. Because like the odds of you blowing that too is hard. Like you probably not. Like, especially the way we trade, like, nigga, you just seen your calendar was all green all month. So if you trading ones every day and making a consistent 200 to 300 a day on top of the 2, it's like, that's not bad. So I just need
10 trading days.
Yeah, and it's like 8 a lot of times. On TRADECOPIA, it's none. You don't even have any minimum trading days no more. You don't even have minimum trading days no more. Lucid, I believe, is 8. See, 1 minute.
Bro, if I didn't lose that 1,000 of that little small trade on Tuesday or whatever, I would have had all green.
Bro, I'm telling you. Like, I'm gonna show my Lucid trading dashboard. So 8 days. So I'm in profit on all these except one, which I'm down 579, but it is what it is. But 1265, 1,000, 109, and 656. So I mean, if you can wait them little 8 days, it's not bad to get paid out every 8 days at all.
Not at all.
At all. I'm not tripping by getting paid out every 8 days. I want to say Top One took away their minimum days and TRADECOPIA took away their minimum days.
It's just that consistency rule, man.
All right, so this 15-minute candle is about to close bearish. What I really think is about to happen is, I think that when we break this low, I think that we're about to dart down, break this low,
930 volume too.
and with 930 volume. And that's something I might be willing to try my hand at if I get the perfect opening. Not, chat. I'm enjoying my weekend. We're going to Aruba on Monday or Sunday. Let's see. We're getting kind of far from this bottom wick, though, I will say. That's getting kind of far. Nigga, that's 25 just to get you in. I wanted a little better closure than that. Okay, there we go. Ooh.
Shit.
Let's see. Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's it.
Let me see. Oh no. I'm on the wrong.
Yeah, that was it.
That's it. Oh no. Oh.
It's gonna keep going too.
Yep. That it wasn't a big cannon, but as soon as I seen this, bruh.
Are you gonna take it?
Nah.
Damn.
Yeah, I ain't take that. Damn. I can't chase either. I can't chase.
Because it's definitely about to keep going down.
Yeah, because now the 1 hour just flipped.
Damn, that was a good one.
Hey, bruh, it's these other accounts. No bottom. And what was that stop loss? 30. Ooh, that was good.
That was a good one right there, no lie.
Damn.
The way it jumped down, like right before I start.
I said, oh. And the thing is, I was on the wrong account, so I would have taken it on the wrong account. I would have made like 1,200, 1,300, 1,400, fucking up my consistency on the other accounts. Damn.
Damn, that was a good one.
Yup. I be chilling on these accounts, be forgetting that I gotta switch them. You gotta be quick with that 30, y'all. Or that 930.
I wonder if Brandon took that.
Someone said, what's the perfect opening? When it don't have a bottom wick and it just opens straight up. So the 30-minute candle opens straight up. Damn.
Yes. Yeah. If I had a pre-live, I would have let that shit ride. I don't even care.
At 930 volume,
I would have let that go.
Bro, I'm over here. I started panicking. I need to go rewatch the stream. Because, bro, I was on the wrong account. 930, y'all.
Like I be knowing that shit.
930. Wakefield. Because where was the entry? Bro.
I like it, though. Keep giving us ranges.
Yeah. I wouldn't have caught all this. I wouldn't need that. But that was easy 56.
When do you get back from Aruba?
Thursday. We gone for a little minute.
Oh.
Yeah.
So next time trade gonna be on Friday?
Live, yeah. I'll probably take off though. But we'll see. I don't know. I like dipping my little toe. The thing is I just can't do I can't copy trade. So I'd have to go to TRADECOPIA and trade all from one set of accounts. So just all Lucids or all Tradefies or all whatever, like whichever one I decide.
You can't copy trade because you're out the country?
And no, you can't copy trade if you're not on a PC.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Fuck. I ain't gonna get too antsy, but if this 5 minute give me another entry with this volume just to fill the wick out, bruh, I would.
Damn, I'm glad you said that because I ain't even got no PC when it's time.
Oh yeah, TRADECOPIA. Yeah, I think most trade copiers, like your laptop, don't have the bandwidth to do it.
I'm glad you said that because I did not know that.
Mm-hmm. It'll say like this does not support blank. Damn, now that would have happened so fast though. That little drop. I don't know. I know that wouldn't have taken a minute. So I guess my little Funding Ticks accounts would have been cooked.
Bro, that shit finna go all the way down to, what is this, 4360 area? That shit finna go such fast support. That green line you got, that shit finna go all the way.
I at least right into here though. 43, right here. Damn. I really shouldn't chase this shit. That's that devil talking to you.
That shit moving though, man. God, you know. 1 minute left on the 5 minutes.
Let's see. I just came into this little resistance area.
That's a little 5 minute support though. So I wouldn't even do it, to be honest.
Nah.
Just get into a nasty area.
Yeah, it's no point. If anything, buy right here. But bro,
on the 5, on the Antonio play?
Did you see it's coming right into this support right here? And it closed above this resistance right here. But I mean, bro, at what expense, bro? Because the worst thing to do right now is chase.
Yeah, that's a good play, an Antonio play. You just don't know how high is gonna make that wick.
Yeah. We coming into it's not a bad play. Coming right into this little area too. No top look on the 5.
And go back up.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
If it go against you, you might as well just cut it quick.
Exactly. I'm only throwing a 1 over on my other accounts too, so like nothing crazy. It could go like minus 200, minus 230. Just cut it.
Now this shit work, bro. I don't win 4 for 4 on my collar.
Damn. Come on, bro. Fuck. Some bullshit, yo. Bro, who is catching this sell right now, though? Just eating it up. All right. Ooh. Boy, damn.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
It. Oh, my. Okay, we jumpy.
Might not be a bad sign, then. Yeah, come on. Come on now, 3 jumps. Let's go.
All right. I ain't gonna hold this shit too long. My nerves are deserting me. I don't like the way it makes me feel.
Yeah, bro.
Like, it ain't giving what it need to give. It's pushing up. How many has it even given? See? See, bruh. Nah.
There you go. Come on.
Order filled.
Order filled.
I'm out. I can't. I am not doing it. I ain't playing the game. I made one little $160. But 110 over here. So 503 on the day total. Nothing crazy. I think that it's gonna go, but bro, it's too volatile right now for me. The real move was to sell. I don't want to hold my bag on the buy, if that makes sense.
Yeah, we didn't know how big the top lick will be.
Oh my god,
though.
Bro, here you go though. Let's see how much I make today. Yeah, see, I only made 153. Bro, this shit too jumpy for me, bro. This shit too jumpy.
I'm 4 for 4, man.
Hey, man. Look, how many did that just give? 4367.5 to 4371.9. Nigga, that just jumped up 60, dog. 60. And now it's coming back.
Fall down. There go your stop loss.
Hey, bro. That was a $500 day on my personal. And across all my little other accounts, it is 4,662. So, bro, I don't know what's going on one of my accounts, but that shit is not copied for whatever reason. I don't know why, but like, no matter what I do with it, it don't copy.
Yeah, it's about to drop.
Bro, you see what I'm saying though? Like, you can't hold that bag, bro. This is a sign, chat. You just cannot hold that bag, bro. I'm gonna share my screen with y'all. Like,
Especially on the 5 minute.
come on, bro. Like, I took my little $160 and that was it. There's no point. You're gonna be sad. Because we know this is just the top wick to come down.
Mm-hmm.
That's all it is. That's all it is. Damn. Let's see how that candle just closed. Perfect opening. How much is that range down though? Nah.
Not worth it.
No, sir. I don't think I like that risk to reward there, and I don't even care about risk to reward. But what I'm not gonna do is willingly try to get into a 22 pip range. Nigga, you only gonna get 13, 14 before I start playing around. I don't got time. About to flip again. I bet you it goes though. Like, all jokes aside, I bet it goes. I just don't got time to be squeezing this when the real better move would just be under this. You get under that. That's, bro, Roger, we got some range, bro. Look at this.
Just need to save it for next week.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Is it gonna play around? Yeah. I mean, that just gives. See, playing around.
Just need like 2 more trades, 2-3 more trades.
Let me see if that trade lasted. Yeah, I see it last. Oh, perfect tap. Perfect tap. I don't go for 20 pips, y'all. Y'all know that. Because with the spread, I know I would have got slipped on the entry. I know I got slipped on that out. Like, they be bullshitting me. Thank God.
My kind of 2,800, man. I could have been. Like, fuck, bro. 2026, no use errors. Fuck that.
Bruh, don't chase waterfalls. Don't chase waterfalls, chat. That's what we done doing that shit.
I can't be losing after from not looking at what chart I'm on or
man.
Nah, I can't be doing that shit.
Bro, why can I trade this account? Like, what's going on? 258-812. If this shit don't close below in 1 minute, or if it don't give me like one of them Antonio plays, I definitely gotta just get off. I appreciate you hanging out with me though. Bro, we really fill that whole range out.
Just wish me luck when you gone, bro.
Just text me, bro.
I just need 2 trades.
Just text me, bro. How much are you away from that?
I'm at 2,800 now. I got to reach 36 something. It's about 800.
Bro, that's so ass how you can only get 1,000 with the fucking ignites. They so nasty for that.
I know, bro. What the hell is that? Plus, they should have did no split if they don't do that.
only get 90 of your or 900 of your 1,000. Hello.
It's all right. It's for a good cause though.
When the last time Damn.
It's just for getting accounts. And a little 200 profit extra.
Damn. I'm trying to chat with support over here, but I think I know why I ain't been able to trade my account. Mostly because you're supposed to trade at least one trade a week on it. And I don't think I've taken a trade on that account since December 19th, if I'm looking at this shit correctly. So that shit might be dead. Granted, it was a nasty little account anyway. No, I said I took a trade on December 24th. But that's still over a week.
Too.
Huh?
This would have been a nice little sale. Great stop loss.
Yeah. Potentially.
Yeah, I'm done.
Yes, sir.
I done
Yes,
all my
sir.
plays and came out.
Bro.
That's what I like.
No top wick on this 5 as well. But yeah. This was a damn good stream. Damn, this was a good stream. Appreciate y'all tapping in once again, YouTube. Someone said 43.75 my take profit. Damn, I'm out 43.75 my take profit. Oh, well, you know. 43.75. Oh, damn. He took the sell from down here. Oh, or up here. That was a good move, though. I'm going to say, is it top step? No, this is top 1 futures. Top 1 futures. Use my code and you'll get 57.5% off, I think it is. Have a good time. Have fun. Well, Raj, Money Man Raj, you know what it is. I'm going to hit the group.
Yes, if you make a reel, let me know.
Yeah, definitely. I need to start charting again on TradeZella. Let me see. What was our first trade? 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and mark that up, and then I'm off for this. So, it's a new month. I don't even know if this has all my accounts linked to it. I ain't been on this bit in a minute. Look at that. That's nasty. Yeah, I don't even know if this has all my accounts.
I would have been out that trade by now, though.
Which one? Oh,
current.
Yeah.
I would have been out.
That's that 15-minute making that top wick. Yeah, man. January, all accounts. Yeah, like I said, I don't even know if this got all my accounts really linked for real. They can't because it only has 4 trades, but all good. Anyway, so this was 5-minute candle. So real quick. So boom. Right here. All right, that was completely based off of the 5-minute, which is crazy. Let's see. 5-minute time frame. Closure below. Price gave a perfect wick up to retest the most recent plus 40 pips after seeing max 17 pip drawdown, 48-second trade. Bet. So 5-minute time frame, got a closure below this support. Boom. Price wicked up to retest this support, came down, came and broke these lows right here, gave exactly what we needed. Then price started playing around, came back up for the retest again, same area, at the actual fall. So we trade lower time frames, so that's kind of why we just be cool to be in and out. But the actual move, boy, price is not giving you a single reason to get out. So onward and upwards. So cool stream. Appreciate y'all tapping in. Appreciate y'all having the YouTube jumping today. And I would definitely appreciate if y'all like, subscribe, and I will see y'all next week. All right, Raj. I'll hit you later, bro.
All right, brother.
All right, Joseph, Justin, y'all be easy, bro.